Hi guys! Today I'm going to tell you about the best programs for editing videos on computer. You may say, your channel is so young, how can you tell us about the best editing programs if you've only recently started doing it yourself? And I'll tell you, I've been editing videos for quite a few years now and I'm very familiar with this process. I have personally used all the programs I'm going to tell you about. All programs are great, and there is no better one. Each program has its own features, which I will tell you about today, and you will choose a program for yourself based on these features or what you need it for. I won't keep you any longer. Let's go. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing program for computer. Many people say that it's complicated and difficult to understand at first, but I can argue with that. And if you've ever used any other editing program before, you'll quickly figure it out. The program itself is probably the most stable of all the others on the list and has the most features. But the disadvantage of this program is that even though it's not the most sophisticated tool in the world, I would still recommend that you first understand any other editing program before trying this one. But if you want to learn, you can choose this program first and you will hardly regret it. DaVinci Resolve is another professional tool that is famous for its color correction, which is perhaps the best of all video editing programs. The main advantage is that the program is free. Of course, there is a paid version, but the free one will be enough for you. Also, the program has quite extensive functionality even without color correction. The only downside is that personally, this program was unstable and there were some artifacts during rendering. You can see it in my previous videos. Clipchamp is a video editing and creation platform that offers online video editing tools and features. It allows users to edit videos, create video content, add effects, text, and music to their videos, and export them in various formats. Clipchamp is accessible through a web browser, making it convenient for users to edit videos without the need to install software on their devices. It's often used by individuals and businesses for video marketing, social media content, and other video-related projects. I would say that Clipchamp is a simplified CapCut. Another advantage is that you can upload all the resources for the video, and Clipchamp will create a video from them. Also, this online editor is quite simple, which will appeal to beginners. Movavi Video Editor is a video editing software program designed for both beginners and intermediate users. It provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features for editing and enhancing videos. The program has a large set of artificial intelligence tools and is great for quick video editing, even for beginners. But despite all this, it seems to me that Movavi Video Editor still lacks features. Now I want to say a few words about why I didn't put CapCut on this list. CapCut is a great tool. It allows you to make your videos extremely fast and professional, but there is one thing. CapCut is a software developed by ByteDance, a Chinese private company that also owns TikTok. I don't trust Chinese services and programs. Why? Usually such software collects the maximum amount of data about you. If you are still using CapCut on your phone, you can still limit what the program collects. But if you are using it on your computer, you will need to work hard to disable all tracking. Chinese companies and corporations can collect, and most likely do, even such data as what you ate today, with access to the camera, what you Googled, with access to the internet, what you say, and so on. But whether or not to use this program is your choice. That's all I have to say. If you want a video about the best apps for editing video on phone, write about it in the comments, and I'll make one for sure. Have a great day and see you soon.